Okay, here's the walkthrough of Willow Sealine S29. This is a 2008 boat with twin Volvo D3s. Stepping on from the back of the boat, we've got a teak bathing platform with a bathing platform ladder recessed and stern shower. Through the transom gate to the cockpit. Generous size seating area at the back here with a cockpit sink and also 12-volt cockpit fridge. Additional seating and lounger on the port side and double helm position on the starboard side. The cockpit canopy is in nice nick, no real signs of stretching or mould on the inside. The other nice thing about the cockpit canopy on these is the two front windscreens actually fold up, and there's a GRP hatch here which they can be stowed in. The helm position itself has all of the things that you would expect. It's got a nice colour Garmin GPS map chart plotter, icon radio, EVC controls for the engine instrumentation display which is on the tachos, and also a bow thruster. Steps leading down into the cabin bring you to a lovely oval shaped table and seating area. The galley is to the starboard side. Gas oven and 2-burner hob. Try not to break it. Also double sink basin and a drainer with a little wooden infill here. Also round on the side here is the Webasto warm air heated control plus 12-volt fridge. As with all the Sealines, you've got excellent access to the main 12-volt DC panel. This boat's also got an interior ICOM VHF radio. Toilet compartment is good size, also en suite to the aft cabin. The toilet on this is electric. The back cabin here has got a nice stowage area and hanging locker. This is also backlit, so it looks quite nice with the glass infills in there. Further round, we've got the double berth, again with lighting. There's some cockpit cushions just in at the back, deck cockpit for the front of the boat, and also the infills for the forward berth. This is a lovely modern sports cruiser with coastal capabilities. These are very stylish in their finish. This one presents well and is available to view at our Horning office. If you'd like to make a booking to view her, feel free to give us a call and we'll make an appointment.